Hi guys, it's Vince from HTML Coin and LibraCodes. So today I wanted to make a video showing users and artists how to use LibraCodes. For those of you who don't know, LibraCodes is a crypto-agnostic NFT platform. Crypto-agnostic because artists can, not only can you mint and deploy NFTs for free, with the platform only taking 2% of commission off the final sale of NFTs, but artists can also receive payments in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, HTML Coin, and numerous other cryptos with more en route. So I'm going to go through a few things in this video, and let's start off with creating an account. It's really simple. So here on the top right, you can create an account through Facebook. We're not going to do that, but you can do that. Just be advised, guys, when you're creating your account, it is imperative that you have a valid email address. That's the only piece of information that we needs to be legit from you guys. There's no KYC. We're not asking for any crazy information from you. So just fill in your display name, birth date, main email. I mean, your birthday can be fake if you really want. Anyway, enter your password and continue. I'm just going to go ahead and use the test account I have just made. Yep, that's good. Alright, so let's get back to the home page. Let's start off with creating an NFT. Now there are prompts and there's information all along the way, but I've been asked to make a video anyway just to go through the process with you guys. So this is already a test NFT that I made earlier on. Let's go ahead. So I'm in I went, just to show you guys again, I went to my tokens, then create token. Little disclaimer, no nudes, no pictures of children whatsoever, violence, you get the picture. You can upload images, GIFs, audio files, documents, app packages, and other files. The only limitation is 100 megabytes per NFT. So for this test, we're just going to do an image. So it opens up on the bottom, select file to upload. So I have chosen a random GIF on my computer. Oh no, not a GIF, just a picture. Submit for validation. You always get little notifications at the bottom left. It's not incredibly important to read, but it tells you where you are in the process. So validation checks have been finished. So then you can just click reload on the top right. Set a thumbnail, choosing the same image. Now if you're uploading a high resolution image or a video file, when you're choosing the thumbnail, you'll choose a low resolution image normally. But as this is already a tiny image and it's a test, I'm using the same image. So NFT issuances, you can issue only one, or you can make multiple, so it'd be copies, up to 100. So in this test, I'm just going to do only one. File title, let's put bunny test. Description, okay, I'm not going to fill out a lot of these details, but I do want you to notice how much details you can actually put, which is very interesting. We'll see that in a moment. Okay, so we got my email. That's very important to have. Creation date, publishing date, that's today. Abstract, theme, scope, and content. You can put the edition, revision date or number, belongs to which collection, and the size. So for example, in my actual NFT shop, I've got a few physical paintings, and each one is represented by a singular NFT token. I've also created 3D renditions of the physical paintings, and those ones have multiple copies. Anyway, so rights management. Now this is pretty cool. I don't know of other NFT platforms which do this. We are always adapting and growing and seeing how we can bring the most value we can to the NFT space by tackling copyright issues and allowing users and artists to put as much information into the NFT as they want, including the rights that they would like to give or not give. So I want to keep all the rights. I want to share all the rights. I want to transfer all the rights. I want to share all the rights. Okay. So if you transfer all rights, you surrender all the rights. If you want to share all the rights, then you're sharing it with the buyer as well. I want to make my own rules for this token. That's pretty cool. So I'm obviously not going to go through all these options, but whatever you choose here will be part of the certificate which is issued at the end, which I will show you. So I'm actually just going to do some random stuff here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I'm not even reading this, guys. I'm just literally choosing a bunch of rights. I'm done. Alright, details are okay. Let's continue. Define custom attributes. So if there's more information that you wanted to include in your NFT, then you didn't have the right field above to put that in, you can put custom attributes over here. You put the attribute name and the attribute value. I don't have anything to put here, so I'm not going to do it. But guys, remember, once you've created your NFT, because this is blockchain, once it's there, you can't change it, you can't delete it, you can't add to it. Okay, so take your time and fill the stuff out with the utmost care. Where are we? Custom attributes are done. Let's go. Okay, what do you want to do with this token? You can excuse me, put it for sale. That would go into the marketplace. Start an auction, that we let people bid on it, or transfer it out. Okay, if you transfer it out, you need to, there is a little tiny fee to do so. Or you want to do nothing and you want to make a decision later. That's fine too. I want to put it for sale. Save now. So that means it's going to go into the marketplace. Please specify a short description for the token. Okay, so I should put stuff. I'm just going to literally just fill up this blank size. Actually, I don't think you need to fill in everything, but let's just put some random info. Save now. Damn your eyesight. Okay, description. Ah, there we go. That's what I should have been filling stuff out with. Okay, there we go. Alright, there we go. So the token bunny test has been saved. Please enter final details. Okay, cool. So this is actually where you scroll down and you create your shop. This is pretty cool. So this is the first token I'm creating. That's why it's now creating a shop for me. Please select a shop to publish the token. So we're going to put the Vince test shop, or maybe I want to have another shop. Price of your token. Let's put it 40 cents. Please note, as I've already got another test token, it did ask me what is the base currency that I wanted to use. I chose US dollar. There are a few options there. Because this is my second token, it's using the details from the last, including the cryptos I'm willing to accept as payment. I chose Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, HTML coin, there's Komodo, there's hemp coin, there's quite a few, and there's more coming. Anyway, so that's minting my token, wrapping files in IPS folder, and it kind of tells you what it's doing. Once it's done, I want to show you the certificate that you get with your NFT tokens. If you're creating singular NFT tokens, these certificates are created once you've done this process. if you are creating a multiple copies, the certificate will only be generated once each copy is sold. Yeah, so this is minting the token. I will show you the certificate. Is there anything else I should let you know? So we've got the marketplace and the auction house, each with different art. We have forums. You can actually, while this is minting and doing its thing, you can actually bugger around. You can even shut down your computer and come back later. It's doing its thing. So while it does that, if you want to report a bug, feature requests, the shout box, just where you chat, frequently asked questions. There's a lot of good information here. Let's just go there, why not? Yeah, support if you need it. You can either go to the marketplace or your dashboard. See, here's my base currency. Payment gateways, this uses blockchain financial. I can go to the products in my shop. I'll see my first token. This, I made 2 copies of it, so there's not a certificate. It is not a certificate that's already been generated. That's why I'm creating the second one, which is a singular copy. Yeah. So let's get to that. So there is my deployed NFT. Let's have a look at the certificate. Here we go. Current owner account certificate. So this will now open as a PDF. Transfer certificate of title. And this is what it looks like. You've got a valid QR code and barcode. There's, okay, obviously I didn't fill in all the correct information. Minted by, issuance, all this information, the wallet address, the economic and moral rights, survivorship, others. And that's it. So once if you create a singular NFT token, it'll generate one of these certificates for you. If you're creating multiple copies, it will be issued on the purchase of each copy. And that's it, guys. I mean, I probably could ramble on about something else. Yeah, I mean, you could save it, but we don't need to do that. Yeah, if you have any questions, guys, if there's something you didn't quite understand, put a message in the comments. Otherwise, join our Telegram group. I will leave the links in the description for the Telegram group for LibraCodes. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. We are here to drive stakeholder value and drive utility in the NFT and blockchain space. So if you have an idea and you think we should be doing it, let us know. We always explore all avenues and adapt all along route. That's it, guys. I hope you learned something. Cheers for now.